These animals make the strangest sounds you've never heard, and the last one is unbelievable. Number 1. Lion. The roar we hear in movies sounds powerful and majestic, but its real voice is much raspier and completely different. Number 2. Eagle. It's the national bird of the USA, and in movies, its call sounds sharp and powerful, but in reality, its actual sound is surprisingly weak, which is why Hollywood often replaces it with a hawk's scream. Before I tell you the last one, if you're not an animal, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it. Animals won't. Number 3. Cheetah. If you think its voice is powerful and terrifying, you're wrong. Cheetahs actually sound more like house cats, making high-pitched chirps and meows instead of deep roars.